What's up everybody, it's BX20 Graphic and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of graphic design, specifically flyer design. Whether you're promoting an event, a product, or just getting information out there, a well-designed flyer can be a game changer. We're talking about the fundamentals, the stuff that separates a good flyer from a forgettable one. So, if you're ready to level up your design game and start creating flyers that pop, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump into design, it's crucial to understand the different types of flyers available. Flyers come in many shapes and sizes, each serving a unique purpose. Let's talk about the different types of flyers. Think of it like choosing the right tool for the job. The right flyer can make all the difference in your marketing efforts. We'll focus on 4 main categories: event flyers, promotional flyers, informational flyers, and social media flyers. Each has its own strengths and best use cases. Event flyers grab attention and get people excited about events. They are designed to be eye-catching and engaging. Promotional flyers push a product, service, or special offer with strong calls to action. They are perfect for driving sales and promotions. Informational flyers deliver clear, concise information. They are ideal for conveying important details in a straightforward manner. Social media flyers are optimized for digital sharing with eye-catching visuals. They are designed to be shared online and attract attention on social platforms. Think about the purpose of your flyer and your target audience. Understanding who you are trying to reach will guide your design choices. Answering these questions will help you choose the right flyer type and set you up for success. With the right flyer, you can effectively communicate your message and achieve your goals. Now let's talk design principles. These are the foundational guidelines that every designer should know and follow. These principles are essential for creating visually appealing and effective flyers. They help you communicate your message clearly and attractively. We'll break down 7 key principles: contrast, hierarchy, alignment, balance, repetition, simplicity, and function. Each of these plays a crucial role in the design process. Contrast creates visual differences between elements, making important information stand out and catch the viewer's eye. Hierarchy organizes content in order of importance, guiding the viewer's eye through the information in a logical flow. Alignment ensures a clean and organized look, making your design more professional and easier to read. Balance distributes visual weight evenly, creating a sense of stability and harmony in your design. Repetition creates a cohesive design by reinforcing visual elements, making your flyer more memorable. Simplicity keeps your flyer clean and easy to digest, ensuring that your message is clear and not overwhelmed by clutter. Function ensures your flyer serves its intended purpose, whether it's to inform, persuade, or entertain. Use these principles to guide your design process. Experiment with different combinations to see what works best for your specific project. See what works well together. Sometimes the best designs come from trying out new ideas and seeing how they fit with these principles. Don't be afraid to break the rules. Once you understand these principles, you can start to bend them to create unique and innovative designs. Mastering these principles will help you create effective flyers that not only look great but also communicate your message powerfully and clearly. Let's zoom in on the fundamental building blocks of any design: lines, shapes, colors, textures, and space. Lines can create shapes, divide space, or direct the viewer's eye. Shapes add visual interest and can create balance or movement. Colors evoke emotions and create associations. Textures add depth and dimension. Space, or negative space, gives elements room to breathe. Mastering these visual elements is key to creating effective flyers. Experiment with different combinations. See what works well together. Don't be afraid to break the rules. Let's talk about designing specifically for social media. Social media has unique challenges and opportunities. Layout is crucial for grabbing attention. Vertical formats work best. Typography should be clear and easy to read. Visual hierarchy guides the viewer's eye. Branding should be consistent with your overall identity. Include a strong call to action. Test your flyer on different devices. Get a second opinion before publishing. And that's a wrap on flyer design. We've journeyed through the intricate process of creating eye-catching flyers, from brainstorming ideas to finalizing the design. We covered a ton of ground today, from the different types of flyers, each serving a unique purpose, to the fundamental principles of design, which are the backbone of any great flyer. Remember, graphic design is an ongoing journey of learning and experimentation. It's about constantly evolving and pushing your creative boundaries. Don't be afraid to try new things, break the rules, and step out of your comfort zone. Develop your own unique style, one that reflects your personality and vision. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Consistency is key in mastering any skill. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be creating flyers that stop people in their tracks, capturing their attention instantly, and leave a lasting impression, making your work stand out in a crowded space. So keep practicing, stay curious, and always be on the lookout for new trends and techniques. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Keep designing and stay inspired.